Hello dear friends, gamers, HashMap, holders, welcome. On this tutorial I'm gonna show you the how you can use and activate and promote in your team the 7-pin coupon. All of you on HashMap, you received that after the GIG last conference. So you have the pin token in your back office. In the left side of the screen, that's the back office of my direct new client. On the right side, my back office. Okay, so you can check the back office of my client on the menu. He don't have the HMAP. Okay, and my back office, you can see one pin coupon. We can use that for us, or we can share with our team and your new members to activate our pin. Before that, we finish the registration in Olympia-Lab for our client. We activate the sponsorship with our wallets, and everything is done in his back office. But if you check the menu, okay, you see the resource, he don't have any coupon, so he cannot activate this farming option of the pin token without our help. So for that, we're gonna use our pin token coupon to send to our client using the wallet from the client. We copy. You can find that on the wallet platform or on the top wallet, external wallet. That's the same. Okay, they are connected. You go to your back office, send one pin coupon. Okay, your client wallet. Okay, and then you need to put your password in your wallet to confirm the operation. Just add your password here and click in confirm. Okay, and the operation is done. Few seconds in the back office of your client, you will refresh the page and you have the coupon there. So now what we can do and how to activate this coupon on the pin in the back office of your client. You have the promotional packs. Okay, we're gonna talk about that later. And you have the base pack. The base pack is 1 pin 3 GCO, 10 24 GCO, and 7 pin coupon 0 GCO. Any GCO payment. So you confirm to activate the pin, okay, your password in the wallet of the client. Done. You receive the pin, and then we need to confirm secondly the operation to validate the pin. Okay, so a password again. Okay, confirm. Okay, everything is good, and the client have received the 7-pin token to activate the farming. Many transactions these days, so take a break, and in few seconds, few minutes, the pins will appear in the back office of your client. Okay, just refresh the page and you see HMAP button is there. So that means that everything is okay and you can activate the farming with the pin token menu. Go down on the page and you will see the package and the 7-pin token here. So we're gonna click there and we're gonna have two options. One, your client can activate the 7-pin at the same time, less expenses in the ghost, so you're gonna pay only 7 ghost coin to activate the 7-pin in farming. Bigger farming, bigger game ghost coin, more easy and bigger risks to buy land in the game. Or you can activate one by one pin. If your client have the plan to activate every 3-4 days or every week the pin, one pin, okay, one pin, one ghost and a half, that's okay. But my suggestion is to activate the 7-pin token to have farming immediately, have farming in game ghost coin. You can exchange the game ghost coin in rigs, and you can buy Hexa, and you can buy more land. Okay, from the promotion price, start pack and premium pack, you have the pin tokens, and you have an amazing 7 game ghost coin. So you can exchange that on Hexa, and with the Hexa you can buy many plots of land in the game, okay, and items in the game. You have the nets, and the most amazing, you can activate Nitro 9 to increase your farming, to boost your farming, okay. Of course, for visionary and for those who want to develop very fast the business and the game, you have the premium pack with 49 ghost coin, okay. Click on the yellow button to receive the notification on YouTube. Visit our platform worldteamtraining.com. Amazing success. See you soon.